This is my first time playing this game. First time playing this game when I lost this game of memory. So I have to say first time of second time of my life. Third time of my life. I guess I played on the laptop before. Now it's the fourth time. I wanna play that poop game. He just plays the game. That game is ugly and also sus. A little bit sus. Yeah, you can poop on anything. And outside the toilet from the house. Yeah, that kind of be nasty, right? If they step on the poop, that's kind of gonna be nasty, bro. Okay, playing on this in laptop, it's much easier. In phone, it is much medium to play. Or why isn't the game loading? Why isn't the game loading? This game is stupid, bro. That was my voice, and I said to Roblox, open the game, please. Is Roblox there? Because I cannot play. Only sister can play. Okay, that's a sound for my sister playing. Experience. Oh, this is taking forever. Some people. Okay, the game. Okay, let's stop being stupid or something. Let's get it done. And then crash some. And then kills. Crash some players. Ooh, I spotted first one. Oh my god. Yeah, that plane is too hard to steer it because it follows the throttle steer. See, if I put my hand out of the throttle, it just flies. What if I hold it? It doesn't fly away, so we'll do that. Wait. God. It's time to crash somebody. Okay. No. You just can't crash on. It's taking off. Bro, that's a perfect way to kill someone in 0.1 second. That's a perfect way to kill someone in 1 second. Only 1 second. Yeah. You can also do this to yourself. Survive private server, or they will crash you using a blueprint. Because they will revenge if you do that to everyone. He's a chill guy. He doesn't want to chase me, bro. Chase me! Yeah, laggy camera. Bro, this also follows like him. This is stupid. Where's that guy go? Where did that guy go? I saw him flying the cargo plane. Oh my god, wait, there's both. Okay, that one is very dumb of flying. Wait, there's my best friend. It's too hard to crash him. Everybody! Oh my god, I'm all... If you're watching, just crash him. Oh my god, honestly, oh my god. Yeah, we spotted one. Oh my god, it's both now. Oh, there's my two besties. Trying to, four besties. Only three besties. Oh my god, he's so dumb. Both follows the same. No took off. Huang! That's an ugly little. I broke his tail. He crashed. Like me. Ooh, you spotted play. Let's add it. You have to be careful. Oh, the playmaker. It's a careful way to don't the plane crash. It's a big explosion. We will make it more explosion. Oh my god! Someone just signed it. Bob, he just like slash summon bomb. I mean 2 balls or balls. Yeah, his hard work are broken now. Don't look up, dummy boy. No, wait, that's not a careful way. Oh, never mind. Bing chili. Bing, bing, bing chili. Those driving an F-13. Meanwhile, I'm chilling. Oh, there's someone. Oh my god, why is the cargo broken? Don't try to escape me because I'm a few gets more explosion or more fire. Light it on fire. Come to me, ugly bomb plane. Oh! Oh! Bang! Someone just crashed on me. He just died. Okay. Okay, we both died from now on. Okay, let's stop talking memes. Okay, if I turn on PC, then if I throttle off, the throttle is W and S. Okay, thanks for crashing. Thank you for catching an explosion. Let's crash that dude. Meanwhile, computer, he's a chill of flying away. Don't look there. Look there. Yeah, it's an ugly one. Yeah, that's a terrible way to crash. Terrible way you die. Oh, don't look there. Look there. Bro, there's so many hidden invisible block. Maybe I'll sit down. My family will know if I speak Bangla. Oh, he just threw me down. Okay, I can still find that guy. Wait, is that from it? No, he's on there. Well, I saw it's no one. It's the same tree. No, wait, I didn't see right there. So it's not the same airport. What is it? The computer doesn't disturb me when I'm throttling up. The mouse is straight middle. I like computer more when playing this game. I like playing this game on computer more. Oh, I spotted that one guy. Never mind, he just crashed. Oh, there's a little guy. Okay, he's... Ah! Where did that explosion come from? You played? I'm getting revenge now. What the heck? Why are you so cool? Why is your hair? Okay, he's... Oh, I'm gonna haunt that guy. And I can use my computer because it's midnight. You can see it's midnight. Oh, I spotted that fake guy. Yes, I spotted a guy. Now I revenged it. What the? How's that coming? Is that a guy last time I revenged from it? No, my revenge is back to his revenge. My wing! I can fall when I lose my wing. Nah. Yeah, I need to buy a private server. These people are annoying. Okay, it's okay. I like crashes. The crash physics looks cool. Bro, why did you go up? Oh, I have to hold it before. Carrier. No, I spotted it on the wrong. I spotted it. Wait, what did I spawn? Ugly plane. It doesn't exist. Big enough. Field carrier, please. It doesn't kill him. I need another. Yes, we killed him. We killed the rich guy. Yeah, the rich little AFK guy. Bro, there's so many hidden boxes. Lucky. Pong. You're lucky. Wee. My goal is to get crashed by someone or crashed by a train. Lucky. Pork. Oh my god. Why is there a bomb plane crashing? Yes, crash me. Crash me. That's time. Crash me. My goal is to crash. I just told it. Now everyone will interested and then crash me. My plane is field carrier. Okay, let's go down. More down. TFS plane always do this. Okay, it just tricked my camera a bit, but I didn't lag. And I saw my plane move. Na plane games Kelsey. Oh, nice. Okay, that's just my friend. Love to crash with me. Wait, that's my goal. I have bullet. I want to focus on us. Just sit. What? Yes, crush me, crush me. Bro bounced. I crashed at the wrong location. My phone is done. Now stop. Nine hits. One hit of being crashed by someone is done. Now we have 9 more hits. It's the train. That's so close. It's like 0.1 close. Please don't see me. Don't see me. Don't see me. Don't see. Bonk. Get clapped. Yeah, that was it. Plane being clapped. The small plane also bounced. Did you see rewind in the blue plane side? I saw the plane just bounced. Now I'm getting a drift fly. I want that bouncy plane. Bouncy plane, here I come. Oh my god, he's so fast. He just spent a lot of Robux, I guess. Damage me! Damage me! Damage me! My goal is to damage. Time to catch him. Yeah, get him. Oh my god, he's too fast to crash him. What? He's chasing him. I guess he's dumb. He's dumb also. Time to catch you, boy. He's running away, dude. It's time for full speed. It's a slow motion steer. Stop! How did it die? It's in the water. Okay, baby likes playing with me, so full speed target lock, full speed unlock. Let's go to smooth steer. No, don't crash, don't crash. Low steer. Oh my god. They just changed. Low steer. Oh no, no steer. Low steer. Medium steer. High steer. Okay, let's go to full speed. Back. Let's go to maximum speed. We got more maximum speed. That plane is clapped. Honk. Did someone took a peek? Powerful dive. Ham. Yeah, that's a good photo, right, guys? Bro. Yeah, bye, dude. No, this plane is bouncy. Let's stop here because I want to pick. No, it just messed up. Okay, let's test this plane. Ugly plane, plane, Equator, Foundation, Shantul plane. 1v1, v1v, 44, Kakakai, Batisha, Kitchen. Okay, full speed. Only maximum speed. Wait, I need more maximum. Now this is much better than I thought. Target locked. My goal is to not get crashed in 5 minutes. Please don't crash me. Someone said move lines. Very load the corona. Wow, this ugly crap. But they're not fast as me. Capture, save. Okay, let's just see. Okay, I didn't click the view though. What? What's a puppy? Dominoes. Our wing just broke. Now this is an emergency landing. You have to go low. So we can land fast. So we can land smoothly. Now that's a non-stop, super non-stop crash. Super non-stop crash is on Roblox. It's when you land, when the speed is low and you forgot it's going this way, and then you get a super non-stop crash of this plane. Low time, medium time. Wait, is that the end of it? Okay, I'm at the wrong beat. I took a pic of here. Capture saved. Wow, that's a beautiful view. Oh no, I can zoom. Huh? Okay. Anna. Yeah. Okay. Children's. Okay, it's on full speed. So I'm in maximum speed. Bro's AFK. He's gonna get error code. 2 minutes AFK. Dong! Dong! Yahoo! Rah! You too, right? My little boy. Okay, let's use speed plane. Okay, wait. So we delete a speed plane? Oh, never mind. Okay, I'll use speed. Oh, 50 is the medium number. Why not 100? 100 is the low number. Okay, but it's not the best plane, so... Someone crushed him? Did someone crush him? Arrow, arrow. Let's see if I can't build my private server or something. If the private server works. No, I can buy a private server. This is unlucky. Oh god, weird. Okay. Yo, I landed like another city landing or something. Didn't spawn a new plane. This plane again. Bro, stop going up. I'm stalled. I'm stalled. I'm stalled. I'm stalled. Go to water. Yeah. This game is dumb. How did I fall like that? This game is always cool. Cool. Let's go. Ton. I don't know where in my microphone though. The speaker is my microphone. Oh, new. Okay. I can't connect this anymore. Okay, I'm gonna put video. Wow. Let's put that wider because it can get the front key broken. I can see it. Okay, plane loaded. Plane arrow loaded. Go up. Okay, I took a pic. Oh, it shows this when yeah, I wanna put it right here. I want it. Annoying space. Invite friend. I'm gonna use my other hand in the left one. What the? My only crash. Okay, this one sucks. Everything crashed in the weak one. Wait, how will we play it? Realistic playing. Yo, they build a new game now. I'm so surprised. Wait, who are these planes? But it's okay. Let's. Wait, someone playing? Oh, there's. It's me playing. Yeah. Okay, we're on the game now. We wish the camera. Yeah, stay here. What is app, guys? can put my video right there now. Parachute. Spawn vehicle. Hey! This is not vehicles! 850. Wait, what is this here? Okay, I have to remove that. Hey, is this someone? My good, beautiful plane! Skip map. Skip map. What? Beyond 747. Okay, it's right here, and it's so realistic. Okay, you can stop crashing on me. Can you stop? Can you crash on me? That's stupid way. Crash me.
Bank angle.
Oh my god, this is loud, bro. And why is my camera there? Go, 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 go back, ugly. Go back, apple. Or can I do it at the close thing? Okay. But it's too annoying with someone. Can I be able to play with someone? Is this gonna be not free? Is this not gonna be free? I'm playing public. My god! Oh my god! What just happened? Roblox, why you happened to the? Oh my! Why is this? Okay, let's go to my main laptop account. That's a new main laptop. Because that is the stupid password. So I'm not gonna show my password. I'm just gonna click on my account, laptop account. Ew! Why did he dress up as a? Some people. Our older sister gonna be no. It's his friend. It's go time. Oh, I typed it wrong. Let's do the same as that guy. Update! Where is there? Is this Emma? Question mark? Realistic plane crash simulator. Don't want a space. All we need to do is enter. Wait, it's not entering. We can not. If we enter, it left. There's a problem. Going in my settings. Let's add my friends. First friend, this one. What the hell? Yeah, oh, I'm on my laptop account. Okay, I'm so dumb. Can you show me next? I saw a key button. My friend. Okay, I don't like this avatar. But I like is when he's a very dumb and he says it's his friend. It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be funny. All players in. Let's add. Okay, all players add. Now let's go to my main phone account again. To load this. Okay. Cover server, here I come. Yeah, I sneeze all day. Mr. Beast's friend still and Fulton do. Wait, Fulton does sneeze? I don't know. If he sneezes, then I'm gonna say he also sneezes. But if he not sneeze all videos, then it's not a sneeze maker. Airline ATR 72. Bro, TFS plane is my fan when it's cool when let's go to Beyond 747. It looks at the random way. That's so cool. Minecraft? They're kind. It looks like a realistic Minecraft blocks of plane.
Bank angle.
All I need to do is reset. Okay, now this is a realistic fractal. What the? It's a little airport. Next one is ATR 72. I love control and I love using crash menu on ATR 72.
Bank angle.
Okay, I've stopped.
Bank angle.
Okay.
Bank angle.
Okay.
Sync rate. Goal. Bank angle. Bank angle.
Okay, it's on there.
Bank angle.
Control. Go up, go up. It's not going up.
Bank angle. 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 Bank angle.
Pull up, sink rate. Pull
Too
up,
low.
sink
Terrain.
rate.
Too low.
থাক ওটা আমি সরকার পরে নিব because I'm charging my mom's phone. No, don't tell anybody, okay? I mean my mom. What? Airliner? If I play this on the computer, I'm so excited.
Bank angle.
Wait, itu right at the stupid spot.
Bank angle. Bank angle.
আমার কাছে নিয়ে আসো
Bank angle. 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 Bank angle.
You don't want to lose control.
Bank angle. Bank angle.
Okay.
Bank angle.
Oh no, I lost control.
Bank angle.
I haven't tried this plane, so let's try it. It's still the. Oh.
Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle.
Stall.
Bank angle. Bank angle.
Stall.
It just
Bank
happened.
angle.
Oh my god, I accidentally tail failure.
Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle.
Stall.
Bank angle. Bank angle.
The church
Bank angle.
is
Bank
destroyed.
angle. Bank 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 angle.
Stall. Stall. Sink rate.
Bank angle. Too low.
Too low.
Terrain. Too low. Bank angle. Rate. Too low. Terrain. Too low. Terrain. Too low. Terrain. Too low.
Let's use the biggest plane of all. Okay, there's 380. The largest plane ever. I see.
Stall.
Okay, I need a better place to fly away. I will fly. Oh, it's dark here. can't see like anything.
Stall, stall. Stall, stall. Stall, stall.
Now, stupid one. Just shut up. The light of the moon. It's the light moon. It's rise. It's helping me to see.
Stall, stall.
Me.
Bank
When
angle. Bank
he's
angle.
going to fail.
Bank angle. 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 Bank
The
angle.
airplanes do
Bank angle.
lose control.
Bank angle.
This one can
Bank
lose
angle. Bank
control
angle.
when the
Bank angle.
nose is
Bank
loose.
angle. Terrain. Bank
Almost
angle. Terrain. Bank
breaking.
angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle.
Sink rate.
Bank angle.
Terrain.
Bank angle.
Sink rate.
Bank angle. Terrain. Bank angle. Terrain.
What
Bank
just
angle.
broke the
Bank
thing?
angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle.
I cannot do. Okay, those is broken. This is the end of the plane. I hope you enjoy, guys, and see you in the next realistic crash plane.